Unlike most other upfitters, Dejana is in multiple verticals and has an impressive depth of experience with manufacturing and process improvement.
Let me tell you a little bit about Dejana. Dejana was founded in 1957 as a 3-bay service station in Huntington on Long Island in New York. It was a family-held company, and Mr. Peter Dejana, as our founder, still active in the business today, although he's down to about 40 hours a week now, I hear. Borrowed $500 from his grandfather to start his own business, and so that 3-bay service station now, almost 60 years later, has grown into a truck equipment company that has national coverage. We've got 9 different facilities. We specialize in everything from window clings and fire extinguishers all the way up through some heavy-duty Class 8 equipment that we build for the utility industry. Where most upfitters will be in one vertical, say you find a manufacturer that just makes van equipment, or maybe a truck body manufacturer that just makes box trucks. We're in a lot of different verticals. We're in all of those verticals. We manufacture our own set of van equipment, as well as working with other manufacturers in the industry to provide solutions for customers. We also install service bodies, platform bodies. We build our own line of cargo bodies, box trucks, in Baltimore, Maryland. And we're also Douglas Dynamics' largest seller of Western and Fisher snowplows throughout the United States. That partnership with Douglas has been very strong for a number of years, so much so that last year we became a division of Douglas Dynamics and are now no longer a family-held company, but are part of a company traded on the New York Stock Exchange, which has been very exciting for us. The Douglas team brings a great depth of manufacturing experience, process improvement, and a Six Sigma-based lean methodology for improving manufacturing operations that is just absolutely world-class.